Hey guys, and welcome back to Simply Nail Art, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this cute blue and white nail design, so let's begin. As you can see, I'm starting off by applying a base coat. Next up, I'm applying this blue color to all of my nails, except on my middle and ring fingernail, I'm going to leave a little triangle free for the design. And now to start the design, I'm going to be using white and a very tiny detail brush. So I'm going to start off by outlining the triangle in white on both of my nails. And now I'm going to use the dotting tool to create the hearts. And now finally, to finish off the design, I'm going to use the detail brush again to complete the hearts. And lastly, I'm going to apply a top coat to seal it all in. Well, that is all guys. Thanks for watching. To see more videos like this, subscribe. Also leave a like if you liked the video and comment down below any designs you want to see me do in the future. Thanks. Bye.